A friend here. Anatupeleka. He's taking us where the honey. Unaona hiyo ndege? That bird there is the one that is directing us to honey place. It's the one taking us where the honey is. This bird here. That bird is taking us where the honey is. Nyartanga? Najeje. It's called Najeje. A small bird is taking us. It's the one that's giving us direction where the honey is. So we are trying to follow it. Yeah. According to our culture. Turkana culture. She has moved again, so we are following. She has stopped. She's waiting for us. This is a small bird here. Yeah, that bird. She's taking us. This bird here is the one taking us where we can get beehives, honey. See that small bird there? This is the one. This is the one taking us. It's taking us where direction where we can get beehives, honey. She has moved. No? He has taken us back again to the same tree. So she has flown from that tree back here. So meaning there is some beehives here. So we are going to get some honey here. Yeah, Bane. So it is within here. So the bird was correct. Here it is. So we have found our honey beehives. is here. See? So the bird was correct. So we went the other side, brought us back here. So this is the honey. So the beehives is here. See? So the bird was correct. Anaitwa nani?
Au.
Nyanyarta Kenya Krome.
Najeje.
Najeje. Najeje was correct all the way from here. Just within a span of 5 minutes, is bring us here.
Kuna panga?
Yeah. So our bird is correct. Najeje is one of the birds in Turkana culture, that the one that is taking people, giving direction where the beehives is, or the honey. So we are here, we have found it, is here. You see? Get it? Nice.